follow-up series returning tonight. This is our ongoing commitment to continuing coverage on the stories that matter to you and are important to our community. It has been 2 weeks since a deadly blizzard hit western New York, killing 42 people and paralyzing communities for several days. City of Buffalo lawmakers, they're now looking inward at the changes they could make to better protect you and your family when the next storm arrives. Fillmore District Council member Mitch Nowakowski submitting this list of recommendations to his colleagues today. He says he put it together based on conversations with neighbors, first responders, and other community leaders. Topics include adding an emergency manager position in the city, warming shelter operations, improving coordination with the county and the state. Now, this comes on the heels of a similar proposal from South District Council member Chris Scanlon. He filed a resolution earlier this week asking the city's Public Works Department to revise its snow removal plan, take inventory of available equipment, and buy new equipment for first responders. New York University also getting involved in the blizzard review, and we learned the School of Public Survey will study Buffalo's storm response and provide an after-action report. 7 News reporter Kristen Morand is live for us tonight from one of the hardest hit areas in Buffalo, following where these proposals go now. And Kristen was a big part of our coverage ahead of this.
Well, Leah, it's really hard to believe that the storm was 2 weeks ago today, right where I'm standing. It was windy, whiteout conditions here at the Outer Harbor. You can see the remnants of some of the damage here, the snow piles that have been collected, just left here to melt. Now, since then, and since that time has passed, city leaders have been really thinking about ways in which they can improve upon the response to the storm. There's even a big Common Council meeting next Tuesday where they're going to lay it all on the table. After a devastating and deadly blizzard ripped through Buffalo, reflection and action now taking center stage.
Yeah, if we've learned anything from this storm, it's really that we need a coordinated response on every level of government, especially from city, state, and federal.
Fillmore District Council member Mitch Nowakowski releasing Friday a call for a panel to address questions and concerns regarding the city's response to the blizzard.
We've seen throughout, unfortunately this year, a mass shooting, a severe storm, and now a deadly blizzard. We really need to have a strong emergency response in the city of Buffalo.
Nowakowski is joining council member Chris Scanlon, pushing for an emergency manager position, both calling this position critical.
I was sitting at my kitchen table coordinating state, county, federal resources to be deployed in that area. And I did that as a council member. So that really showed me that we really need a centralized coordinator who has that expertise.
I think we need to have things a little more streamlined and kind of have that manager at the helm.
But Mayor Byron Brown announced Tuesday he would like to add a fleet director to his administration instead. I reached out to the city about this. A spokesperson says the mayor is open to both positions, but believes fleet management is the most immediate need. Still, both council members say change is needed so the city can be better prepared next time.
We have to, as I mentioned, look at every possible option, have these frank discussions, and be ready to move forward to improve for the citizens of Buffalo.
When a disaster strikes the Western New York, how do we all respond? Because if we can all respond in a coordinated effort, we're stronger for it, and we could save more lives.
So as for what lies ahead, Nowakowski says he wants to get some of the Common Council members together, county and state leaders together to all discuss about some of the questions that came up during the storm and get those answers in a report and have that done by January 31st. We're live at the Outer Harbor. Kristen Moran, 7 News.
Yeah, a very important report there. Kristen, thank you so much for that. One of the most frustrating things, because so many of us, people working on this show right now, we're stuck sleeping here at the station, and we were answering phones from people who were stuck in vehicles, and they said that they were being told that they had to wait it out, and obviously that is not a good idea. So something needs to be done. But the biggest thing that we can point out is that it is important to pay attention to meteorologists and take you seriously when you warn us about something.